Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this annoying application error on Windows. Okay, there are two different methods, so try not to skip any steps. The first method, go into search, type in CMD, you're going to see a command prompt come up on the left hand side. Right click on this and say run as administrator. It's going to confirm that you want to do that. When this comes up, you want to type in CMD space / scan now, all one word, hit enter. I'm sorry, scan now, SFC scan now, and this will verify all of the files on your Windows system, and if they are corrupted it will automatically replace them. This is very useful. So this should fix the issue. Once it is finished, reboot your system and try the application one more time to see if that actually did fix the issue. If you've done that and it still hasn't fixed, go on to step number 2. So I'll put a link to in the video description below, but it will go to this page. This is a C++ reduced fiddle runtime, and the reason for this error happening is that one of these got corrupted. So click on this download button here. This will lead you to a download that looks something like this. It's a zip file. You can right click on this and click extract all. Once you have done that, you're gonna see something that looks like this. You're gonna see a file called install_all.bat. If you run this, this will run all of these applications one by one, which is exactly what you want. It will go through one by one and reinstall all of these files with updated, new, uncorrupted files, and that should fix your issue. If this video helped you, leave the video a like and please subscribe. Thank you very much.